Hello, my name is Rosamstika Sari, student of Electronical Engineering, Universitas of Makassar. This time, I will explain about main functional of split air conditioning compliance, the condenser.
Okay, the condenser is a component of the cooling system that is installed after the compressor and is used the air conditioning system. This component serves to remove the heat absorbed from the room and cooling work through refrigerant media. The refrigerant pass which was original a gas because it absorbs heat from the room in the condenser turned into a liquid pass because it causes high refrigerant pressure after passing through the compressor. Because the refrigerant pressure is high, so the complication recipe is like increase. It will melt easily. The functional of the condenser is this component has a functional is to remove hot air from freon that is used that comes from a AC compressor.
Maybe that's all I can say. Hopeful the material is useful for all of us. That's all, and